Good afternoon, everybody. It's Cruiseman here. I know I look a little inflated. That's because I've just put some prescriptions in my jacket for Ricky.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
I had to come over here to Kroger to pick up some items for her. And it's an absolutely gorgeous day here in Carrollton, Texas. 80 degrees. Can you believe this? 80. It was 40 degrees last week this time. 80 degrees. It's been so nice that Robert and I were talking today that it should be nice on Sunday. I mean, the forecast for the whole week, for the next 10 days, looks really good. And we're talking maybe we could do a little ride after breakfast, maybe do a little twisty road up to Buc-ee's. And if we do, we'll make sure to record that for you. My bike is clean. I washed it yesterday. It was 75 degrees yesterday with no wind. A perfect day. So I got my pressure washer out and used it to wash the bike. It was a lot of fun. I haven't washed the bike in a while. It was ready. And I want you to look at the weather today. Almost no wind. Absolutely beautiful. About 70, maybe 72 or 3 degrees. Just gorgeous out here. And that means I am going to wash the bike. And I'm going to be using my Giraffe Tools pressure washer, which I have been using now for well over a year. And I really do like it. I've really enjoyed it. I use it to wash the car. I use it to wash the motorcycle. And I've also used it to power wash our driveway. I use it in my garage to power wash the garage floor. It's been pretty reliable. I haven't any problems. Sometimes it gets a little finicky when it's cold. Sometimes it takes it a while to build up some pressure if you haven't used it in a while. But it always comes to life, and when it does, it really has done a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm very happy with it, actually. So now I did get a different foam cannon on Amazon because the one that comes with the pressure washer was a little small. And I bought this Astro AI foam cannon, and it's been working great. I think it was under $30. In fact, I'm getting ready to use it again here in just a minute. So that's my follow-up. It's been, like I say, it's been a year or more since I got this. And I always start off cleaning the wheels first. I use that super clean wheel cleaner, which I love. That stuff is amazing. Really gets off all the brake dust. You know, it's just really great. So after that, I use the foam cannon with this pressure washer. And I bought a different foam cannon than the one that comes with the unit. It comes with the pressure washer because the one that comes with it's kind of small. And I just needed one that was a little bit bigger, held a little more soap. And I'm trying out a new foam cannon detergent from G-Technic. And I'm very pleased with it. I think it's called citrus foam or something like that. And then in my buckets, soap bucket, I use the one from Turtle Wax, kind of a ceramic detergent. I'll put links to all those products in the description if you're interested. And like I say, I've had this. I'm sorry about the wind. It's very windy today. So I'm sure it's not good for my audio. Try to close my face shield a little bit. Just an amazing, amazing day. I've seen a couple of bikes out today too, by the way. So anyway, I've had that pressure washer now for a little over a year, and I've been very happy with it from Giraffe Tools. Hands down, my favorite feature of that product is that retractable reel. I just love it. It's got like a 100-foot hose on it that retracts, and the retractor works really well. And pressure washers performed well. I bet I've used it 13 or 14 times in the last year, maybe more. I may have used it more than that. I use it to wash the car. I use it to wash the bike. So I'm very pleased with it. If any of you are in the market for a pressure washer, since spring and summer are coming up, I tried something a little different yesterday. Usually I use that little heated air dryer to blow off the bike, but I bought a new leaf blower recently. I think I might have mentioned to you I had to blow up some leaves because we had a ton of leaves in our yard this year. And I bought this new leaf blower, and the other day I found a little stubby nozzle for that leaf blower, and it's specifically made for drying off cars. And so I thought, well, I'll try that out, and it worked really well. I used it to blow off most of the water off the bike, and then I went around and finished it up with one of my favorite rags for drying. And it's like I say, I'll put links to all that stuff in the description if you're interested. So how many of you are able to get out and ride right now? Because it looks like we're going to have a week perfect for riding and getting outside. We just got lucky. I'm sure we'll have more cold spells here in Dallas-Fort Worth, but not today. Today is great. Also would like to mention that we're getting a lot of video sales right now. I think it's because springtime's coming up. People are getting ready to start working on their bikes, getting them ready for riding season. And I've noticed a real uptick in sales on our maintenance videos for the 2018 Plus Honda Goldwing. The new OTT website seems to be working fine. Everybody's very happy with the new search function and the forum. And that's been very popular, very good. And I should remind you, I always forget to remind you, if you're a subscriber to this channel, you can get a 20% discount off of the videos by using coupon code YouTube. I'll put it on the screen. It's just one word, YouTube, all uppercase, and you'll save 20% on the cost of the videos. So now's the time of year to kind of get your oil changed, make sure your radiator fluids are all, your coolant's in shape and flushed if you need to. Make sure your brake pads are good. Make sure your brake fluids are where they need to be. If you have a manual transmission, maybe you want to flush and bleed that clutch. And these videos will show you how to do all that stuff. So I've got a couple of podcasts lined up for the future, and of course, Crown and Comments will be coming pretty soon. So I'm just about to pull into the driveway, and I just want to remind you once again, if you enjoyed the video, it's kind of a short one today, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's a really big deal for us, so much appreciated. And look forward to seeing you on the next Cruiseman's MOTOVLOG or Cruiseman's video. And until then, remember what I always say, ride often, but ride safe. See you soon.